Hello everyone. This is an instructional video on how to create a student account on the Missouri Coalition of Children's Agencies Medication Certification System. To begin, you will need to have a web browser. You will need to know the web address or URL of your organization in our system. And you will need to have an account set up for yourself where you are what we call a nurse instructor or a nurse administrator. To begin, we will open up a web browser. I have chosen Google Chrome, and we will go into the address bar to type our URL. The URL for your organization is going to be some kind of organization code, .lmscheckout, all one word, .com. For purposes of this exercise, I will use MECA, which is our organization, .lmscheckout.com. Type that into the address bar. And I have already taken the liberty of having logged in before starting this recording. So I'm assuming you are all able to log in. If you are not logged in, instead of having a message up here that says you are logged in as your name, it will simply say log in, and you'll be able to click it and enter your email address and password that you should have to log into the system. The first step is to go into the administration panel after we're logged in. If our screen looks like this, we will access the administration panel by clicking Admin Panel, top right corner. The next step is to click the menu item called Users and Groups. And on the left menu item, we want to click Users. The next step is there is a button called Create New, close to the middle of the screen. We're going to go ahead and click that. And this is the information the system needs to create the new student users account. We need to have the student's name, first and last name is required, a valid email address, this has to be an email address that is spelled correctly and already set up and receiving messages. Phone number is optional. We set the designation to new student. Once we make sure all this is complete, we click Create User. Excuse me. Once all this information is complete and correct, we will click Create User. And it will say user account is created successfully. The student account is now created, and you will be able to enroll this student in a class in the future.